Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iOS 14 iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize app icons on your iPhone. Now with the latest release of iOS 14, one of the cool things that they added to that was the ability to customize icons for your apps on your iPhone. Now as you can see here, I currently have Spotify and Discord with custom app icons. When I select Spotify, it'll open up the app real quick. And if I select Discord, it'll do the same thing with opening up Discord. So it's actually really easy to do this, and you can use any picture as your app icon. So these can be images you make or download, and check the description. I'll have a link to where I got these icons for my apps. So you can download the icons from that website and then use them for your apps on your iPhone. So the first thing we need to do is actually use a built-in app on our iPhone, and that's going to be Shortcuts. If you don't have it on your home screen, just kind of scroll over until you get to the app library and then just look up Shortcuts, and it should come up so you can open it there. Once you get in Shortcuts, it should look like this. What we want to do to create a new shortcut is select the plus symbol in the top right. Then from here, select Add Action and select Scripting over here in the top right. Once we've selected Scripting, select the first option, which should be Open App. So what we're telling this shortcut to do is open an app. Now we need to tell it which app to open. So right next to open right here, select choose. And you can also search as well up in the top right here. So I'll search Instagram, select that. So now we have it opening Instagram. And now what we need to do is go up to the top right and select next. And then we need to name the shortcut. So this will be the name that shows up on your home screen under the app icon. So for this app, we'll do Instagram. And to the left of that, if you select the icon, you can actually select a color. So if the image you're using for an icon has any transparency to it, this will show up behind it. So I'm just going to select orange and then select done. Now select done, and it'll bring you back to all of your shortcuts. The next thing we need to do is find the shortcut we were just working on. So it's this one in the top left. Select the circle with the 3 horizontal dots to open up the shortcut again. Now in the top right under done, select the round circle with the 3 horizontal dots. This will open up the details. After that, just select add to home screen. And then in here in the bottom left, next to Instagram right there, we need to select the icon. And then you have 3 options to add a picture, which is going to be choose a file, choose a photo, or take a picture. I'm going to select choose a photo. Find the new icon on your phone and then select choose in the bottom right. And then after that, all we need to do is select add at the top right. And then when we go back to our home screen, we'll see it there added. So as you can see, I now have a new Instagram icon, and if I select it, it'll open up Instagram. So that's how you customize app icons on your iPhone with iOS 14. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iOS 14 or iPhone tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.